Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. Today, we are going to learn a daily English conversation at a restaurant, so that you can easily understand and speak English in real life. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This video will help you improve your English step by step. So, watch this video till the end and try to repeat the sentences with us. Let's get started.
Ollie, hello Sarah. How are you today?
Sarah, hi Ali. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Are you ready to eat?
Sarah, yes. I'm very hungry today.
Ollie, great. Let's go inside.
Sarah, yes, let's go.
Waiter, good evening. Welcome. Ali, good evening. We need a table for two. Waiter, sure, please follow me.
Sarah, thank you.
Ollie, this place looks nice.
Sarah, yes, it's very clean and beautiful.
Waiter, here is your table.
Sarah, thank you.
Waiter, here is the menu. Ollie, thanks.
Sarah, what would you like to drink?
Ollie, I would like a cold drink. Waiter, are you ready to order? Ollie, yes, one cold drink and one orange juice, please. Waiter, sure, I'll bring it soon.
Sarah, do you come here often?
No, this is my first time.
Sarah, same here. I like trying new places.
Ollie, me too, it feels exciting.
Sarah, yes, and food makes us happy.
Ollie, absolutely. Waiter, here are your drinks. Ollie, thank you. Waiter, are you ready to order food? Ollie, I would like chicken biryani. Waiter, anything else? Ollie, no, that's all.
Sarah, so, how is your work going?
Ollie, it's good, but a little busy.
Sarah, same here. Life is getting busy.
Ollie, yes, but we should take time to relax.
Sarah, exactly. That's why we are here today.
Waiter, here is your food. Enjoy your meal. Ollie, thank you.
Sarah, wow, it looks delicious.
Ollie, yes, let's eat.
Sarah, this pizza is very tasty.
Ollie, the biryani is amazing. Ollie, excuse me, can we get the bill? Waiter, sure.
Sarah, I will pay today.
Ollie, no, I will pay.
Sarah, okay, we can share.
Ollie, that was a nice dinner.
Sarah, yes, I had a great time.
Ollie, take care, see you again.
Sarah, goodbye.